Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x80248007 when attempting to download and install updates on Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue. For that, go to search menu and type in troubleshoot. Troubleshoot setting, open it. And go to other troubleshooters, click on it and click here guys, Windows Update Troubleshoot to run. After finishing this, close out of here guys and go to search menu and type cmd. Click here, run as administrator. Click yes guys and type here sfc space slash scannow. Press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. Wait for it. After finishing this verification 100% complete guys, close out of here and go to start menu and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.